everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to MoneyMe account. So let's get started. Open a web browser of your choice and then type in moneyme.com.au. Press enter on your keyboard when done. And this will take you to the main official website for MoneyMe. MoneyMe is known as the Australian financial service firm that offers personal loans and various other financial products. To log into your existing account, click the login button at the top right hand corner. Now, in the text boxes that appears on the screen, you'll need to type in your email associated with the account and the 4-digit passcode. Start off by typing in your valid email address in the first text box. Once done, move on to the next field and type in your 4-digit passcode. If you are having trouble remembering your passcode, give a click to this little button where it says Forgot Passcode and follow through the information till the end. And you'll be able to recover your password right away. But if you remember your passcode, simply type it in the text box and you'll be automatically logged into MoneyMe account within a few seconds. So that was how you can easily get access to MoneyMe account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.